Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating monitor repair saga. It all started with a seemingly simple problem, a malfunctioning power button. But the solution? Oh boy, it was anything but simple.
I'm already hooked. What kind of monitor are we talking about here?
An LG 27UL500W, a multi-function control stick, not just a simple on/off button. The author, let's call him the repairman, noticed the button was getting progressively stiffer, eventually failing completely. He initially tried software workarounds, but those proved fruitless. The LG on-screen control software was particularly unhelpful, even comically so.
So, hardware intervention was the only option? Sounds like a fun weekend project.
Fun is a relative term, my friend. The repairman first had to carefully disassemble the monitor. It involved removing the rear housing, unsnapping the bezel, and then getting to the power button module itself. He emphasizes the importance of safety, as even unplugged, capacitors can still hold a charge. Always be careful.
Good point. Safety first. So, he got to the power button. Was it a simple solder job?
Not quite. He discovered the button was a complex assembly of thin, delicate button sheets. Think of it like a really tiny, multi-layered button sandwich. His old soldering iron, a 2016 model, wasn't up to the task. The tip was worn out, and even at max temperature it couldn't melt the lead-free solder.
Oh no! A soldering iron malfunction during a monitor repair? That's a meta-level problem.
Exactly. He ordered a new Pinesil V2 soldering iron, which he raves about, along with new tips for the old one. The new iron made quick work of the desoldering, but the button sheets themselves were incredibly fiddly. Tiny, magnetized tweezers, a real challenge.
I can imagine. So what was the root cause of the failure?
The culprit? Factory defect? He found a discolored, corroded button sheet and a detached component. It seems the button was faulty from the start, and the vertical monitor orientation may have just exacerbated the pre-existing problem.
Wow, that's a surprising twist. So, a simple cleaning and reassembly fixed it?
Not quite simple, but yes. He used deoxit to clean the contacts, carefully reassembled the button sheets, leaving out the detached piece, and resoldered everything. Success! The monitor's OSD now works perfectly.
That's a fantastic repair story. A testament to perseverance and a good soldering iron. I bet he learned a lot.
Absolutely. And a reminder that sometimes the simplest looking problems can hide the most complex solutions. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of monitor repair. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.